Welcome back, friends. This morning we're going to do the Gold Hill Trail. It's right off of Highway 9 south of Frisco, Colorado, and just north of Breckenridge. This trail will put us on the Continental Divide Trail and also the Colorado Trail. So we're pretty excited. Let's get going. Well, you immediately start climbing as soon as you put foot on the trail. But you get up to see stuff like this. Not too shabby. Any day on the trail is a good day. Well, we've made it to our first trail marker. It's kind of cool. Dual marked. As we continue to climb. Beautiful day. Started out about 50 degrees, probably 55 or so now. And just great scenery to look at. Here with Barb and the ninja dog, Tater. He walks right behind you. You can't even hear him. He's just like stealth. And give Tater a little water here. He was anxious this morning. Didn't want to eat or drink. Got to make sure he drinks. So, onward we go. Well, this is kind of sad. This whole area, there's just this one pine tree. This is a huge beetle kill area here. They've been working on it pretty hard. Getting it all stacked up over there, and then they planted some new, you'll see some little pine saplings. But yeah, oh, here comes some mountain bikers. We met a girl in Salida earlier this week that's doing the Continental Divide Trail. Here comes Tater to make sure I'm coming. I'm coming, let's go. He'll circle around behind me and off we go again. But she's doing the Continental Divide Trail on her way to Mexico. It's pretty cool. So she was doing this trail here that we're on just a few days ago. And look like we got some cyclists coming up here behind us. Right, Tater? Okay, what we're seeing there, that's Dillon Lake. That's the south end of it. And the southern part of Frisco. That's where we're camped. Way on the other side of Dillon Lake in the RV. We still got plenty of places to explore. We'll take you along on those too. Alright, we've gotten out of the beetle kill and now we're up here in the tall pines. Shaded. Starting to warm up. But just some more beautiful Colorado Trail. Saw some mountain bikers come by. They stopped and chatted for a minute. Couldn't tell the accent, but it was Scandinavian. And they took off, speaking in their native tongue. But I heard them say Texas. So maybe it was the howdy that gave it away. But they're having a good day on the trail. Having a good day, Barb? Barb has been rehabbing a knee. So we're checking it out. See how it does. Tater's rehabbing nothing. As usual. I can feel the elevation. Breathing starting to change. As you would expect. Check out my new buff. I got a new buff. I saw it before Barbara did. She wanted it. They only had one. I told her I let her borrow it. She was a good girl. And I think I'm gonna get some of those dirty girl gaiters to match.
I was a good girl yesterday.
You were a good girl yesterday. Anyway, we finally made it. See, I think we're at about 9,900 feet right now. Feeling pretty good. We're on a flat spot. Still a lot of beetle kill up here, but it's a great little trail if you're in Breckenridge or Frisco, Dillon, anywhere around there. Silverthorne, just want to get out, grab your little piece of the Continental Divide or the Colorado Trail. Just a nice little day out on the trail close to town. Then we'll go down and have some lunch. And we're still climbing. I'm not sure what the total elevation gain is going to be. We're going to intersect that Peaks Trail. Probably come back. But yeah, if you want to get a little climb on, this isn't a bad trail. Right, Tater? Is it a good trail? Is this a good trail? Huh? Well, come on. Here comes Miss Barbara and Tater. Us flatlanders, we have to take it kind of slow on our first hike. And we're up about 10,000 feet now, so, but it's okay. It's all about the hike. Tater, you want some water?
Hang on, he's eating. Is that all? Here. Oh. Here, bud.
Come over here.
Tater.
Come here, Tater. Come here. Here you go. Here.
Here, babe. Come here. Drink some.
Tater, which way does Mr. Bill say we need to go? That way? Mr. Bill say that way? Okay. Now we're making our way down, starting to cloud up, get a few sprinkles, but the bad weather isn't supposed to come in till later on this afternoon. And we'll be enjoying a cold beer and a sandwich down in Breck by that time. I'm coming, buddy. Yes, here I am. Come on. So anyway, we're just enjoying our little walk in the woods here. Glad you came along. in spite of all the beetle kill, I mean, there's still lots of scenery to see here. There's Lake Dillon. And then that's I-70. But still, there's lots of mountains to look at. We don't get that in Texas. So there is some reward on this trail, even though there is a lot of beetle kill. So we're about to finish up our hike here at Gold Hill trailhead right off of Highway 9 on the Colorado Trail and the Continental Divide Trail. It's an okay trail. We went out to the intersection of Peaks Trail, 3 miles out, 3 miles back. Good elevation. I think we were at about 10.3, something like that. But the beetle kill is just, it's awful. There's some nice places out here and some good scenery, but it's really the beetle kill is pretty devastating. There's a lot of places to go in Colorado and trailheads, but if you're right outside of Breckenridge or you're right outside of Frisco, it's just kind of halfway in between, you want to get a quick hike in, it's okay. I can't say I can recommend it just because of the beetle kill, but it is what it is. And like I say, any day on the trail better than a good day at work, that's for sure. So until next time, you guys be safe, and we'll see you on the trail. Adios.